I'm DJG and welcome to the tune-up for all your inspirational soulful house needs right here on inspirationalsoulfulhouse.com. Coming up is a track by Richard Earnshaw called Inside and Out, the Rob Hayes vocal remix. Check this one out. Now, I am a big Richard Earnshaw fan. In fact, I'm looking through my collection of music and I've got a lot of Richard Earnshaw remixes there. Now, Inside and Out, this is what you would call a rump shake. It just makes you want to shake everything. Absolutely brilliant. It's on the Duff Note label and you can get it on tracksource.com. All the tracks I'm going to be playing today, you can find it on tracksource.com. Go and purchase it. These are good pieces of music. You cannot do without them. If you're a DJ, you need this in your collection. I love this lady, Tacita D'Amour and Never Stop Loving You, the extended rework vocal remix on the Sunlight Square label. This lady, I should say, her CV, her resume reads like a who's who of music. You name them, she sang with them, and her voice is such a delight to listen to. I just can't say any more about this lady. She is so good, and I consider her as a personal friend of mine. We've spoken on many occasions, and she's so good. So you need to get this one. It's on the Staff Production label. It's brilliant. You know, I really do like it, and I have been playing this track, and it's a lovely remix, and you've got to get it. That's all I can say. You've got to get this. Tacita D'Amour, all on tracksource.com. And talking about great ladies and great voices, here's Portia Monique and a track called Cloud 9, the Real People vocal mix on Real People Music. Loving this. This just reminds me of summer 2014. That's all it reminds me of. You take a listen to it, you understand what I'm talking about. Look at that, I cut it off just before the vocals started. Just give you a little sample of how good it is, a little taster. Now, if you want to get the whole track, all you need to go to tracksource.com and download it. Find it, buy it, download it. You will not be disappointed. The album is off the hook. Incredible album. And the remixes are just as good. So you need to get this. That's Portia Monique, Cloud 9, the Real People vocal mix on the Real People music label. did you hear the bass line on that? Out of My Life, that's At Jazz featuring Julian Gomez and Brucey. And that's on the At Jazz record label, all found on tracksource.com. I love this. This is just like almost like a piece of music which you wrap in a nice warm blanket around you. It's got that lovely sort of like, yeah, got a meaty feel to it. It's like, I love this. It's a real head bobber. So it keeps, there's those kind of music that when you hear it, just like the neck has to move. That's what this is. I think it's time to have some jazz, some Chicago jazz. Loving that. Chicago Jazz, the original mix, and it's by David Olanani, I believe. If I've pronounced that incorrectly, please forgive me. And that's on the Crumpled Music label. And all the tracks which have been played today are on tracksource.com. Head over there now, purchase them. You will not be disappointed. I'm not going to bring you any rubbish. I'm going to bring you quality stuff, and everything what Tracksource does is quality. So head on over there, tracksource.com, and get these albums. I'll see you next time right here on the Tune Up.